What's up, everybody? So, we're going to do two modules because they kind of go hand in hand. Unfortunately, we're going to have to be skipping over a module here. I'll show you the alt account detection. Unfortunately, Bohemia released an update that made it kind of impossible to, alt detect accounts. And that's, bot, website, tool wide, right? If that makes sense. So, that's going to be down for a little bit, unfortunately. So instead, we're going to do XML and JSON error detection, and they're literally the exact same, but different. Same thing, but different. So you're going to do the same process that we've been doing this whole time. I would probably just speed it up a little bit and do XML error, and also create a JSON error. Oh wow, jeez. Create the channel, and then you're just going to start with whichever one you want. We're going to do the same thing we've been doing. Call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Vigil, save changes, copy webhook URL, come back over to XML error detection, paste it into its respective field, and there you go. So this is very simple. I mean, you need to quick add these, which is just clicking a button so that the actual tool can scan your stuff, and like it automatically runs a validation every 10 minutes. So for example, if I had my types file and I added in like just a whole bunch of gibberish that doesn't make any sense, the syntax is completely screwed, it would tell me, and I wouldn't have to validate that. It would automatically tell me that I did something wrong. It's actually very, what's the word? Nice, convenient. Because I mean, I don't validate everything because I'm too confident. I've been doing this too long, and sometimes I make mistakes, So it's nice, and it's very simple. This is all you do. Alert on resolve. So I don't believe I've made any XML errors on this one. If I can show you an example, here I'll show you an example on here. So on here, this is what it looks like. XML error detected, XML error resolved. Tells you where it's happening at, tells you the line it's happening at, the column, all of that stuff. So, oh, and it also tells you the error, of course, right? So, very nice, great tool to have, very useful. And you're just going to repeat the same exact process that we did. Oops, save your changes. Repeat the same exact process that we did for XML for JSON. Enable the module. You were smart and you already created the JSON error. Integrations, webhook. Bam. Vigil. Save changes. Copy webhook URL. Come back over. Paste it in. Click on these two, the mission root and the custom folder. Just allows it to scan through stuff for syntax and other errors, like such, right? And then you're just gonna hit save changes, and you got both those modules done. So nice. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.